Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you have all been doing well. I hope you have all been trading. And when you are trading, you must do what? Trade wisely. Okay, welcome back once more. Today is Tuesday. I wish to just do one more live trading with you. So let's see today what we can take and keep the setup in your mind, keep the strategies in your mind, so that you become convenient and comfortable with live trading. Okay, because I've noticed that most of you guys, if you are trading, you find it very difficult to spot the right entries, the right setups, how to find it, and even the emotions related to trading. You're not able to exhibit that because you don't learn live trading. You don't have live trading experience. That's why I decided to set this series, scalping, so that you'll be able to trade and make some money out of the market. Okay, and moreover, I've also been taking different sample of trades because you notice that sometimes I risk $300, sometimes I risk $200. But you watching me, I don't know your account you are risking. I don't know the account you're having. I want to make it vary, okay, so that anybody who's watching me, whether you have, you can risk 100, you can risk 200, you can risk 300, you can risk 400. No matter the amount of capital you have, you'll be able to do it. You'll be able to trade and make some money out of the market. Within the week, you definitely become profitable. So without wasting my time, let's go to the charts and let's get started. I use this chart for my analysis. I take all my entries in the order chart, in the order computer. So this computer purposes for my analysis and this one also for my analysis. But all my entries, all my account runs on the chart here. Can you see this one or this one? Yeah, it's here. This one, the laptop here. That's where I take all my entries. But all my analysis, everything is done on this computer. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Let's see what the currency trend meter will give us today. So on the currency trend meter this morning, as you can see, we have euro to be strong and CAD to be weak. So euro is strong on the H4 and CAD is weak on the H4. The purpose of combining the strongest and the weakest is to find a perfectly traded market or a well-behaving market. Because if you don't match the strong and the weak, and then the market should be going one side, then the market is not going to be nice. It's going to be very choppy if you're trading. So because of that, we want to find a well-behaving market. That's why we made the strongest to the weakest. We want to find a trending market. So euro and the CAD, we can trade euro and the CAD, or you can trade the switch and the CAD. But I don't prefer the switch and the CAD. I want to trade the euro and the CAD because you can see that the euro is very, very strong and the CAD is very, very weak. So for me personally today, let me change the color here. Personally today, I want to trade the euro and the CAD right now. So we go to the charts, we go to this charts, and then we search for euro, the euro and the CAD, and let's see what that chart can give us. Somebody may also decide to combine maybe switch and the CAD. So you have to decide. You have to combine switch and the CAD. You can combine the switch and the CAD because they are all strong and then the CAD is weak. Somebody may also decide to combine the switch and the USD because USD is also weak. Can you see? The USD is also weak. So we can say USD switch or switch USD. However your broker names it, it doesn't matter. So any of these combinations. But right now I'm choosing the switch, the euro with the CAD. So let's go to the chart and let's search for euro and the CAD on that chart. That's where I enter all my trades. So let me record the screen and let's see what we can get on the euro and the CAD. Oh, guys, sorry, guys. I forgot to hit recording, but I realized I've already entered the trade. I thought I was already recording it, and by the time I realized I've just entered the trade. So I'm already in the trade, but let me explain to you why I do the trade. As you can see, there are some support areas at this zone. Can you see there are support areas at this zone? Yes, so you can say the market is trending beautifully, but aside that, you can also find some support areas. Okay, some support areas. These are not demand or supply, these are support areas. So we can find some support areas here, and that's where I decided to analyze the market from. So from the support area to the base of the support, you can see that the down 2 has a support line. So we just focus on the upper one. Okay. Here I did not get any signal. I just wanted to enter immediately, so I just entered immediately. So as you can see, the market is already in my favor and the market is already moving in my favor. I forgot to record the screen. I just remembered. So you can see here that the market is trending beautifully. The market is trending beautifully on the uptrend. You have to find a way to join the trend. That's how you have to analyze the market. You have to find a way to join the trend. So the trend will not always be perfect. You have to find a way to join the trend when the market is moving up. So I can see that both the horizontal and the trend line are meeting, so that zone is very, very important zone. So I just want to take the trade here. That's why I took the trade here. And this trade can be a win, can be a losses, nobody can tell. So though it's in my favor, but let's see. It's in my favor. Maybe very soon we just end this live recording. It's my favor. Okay, it's coming down. It's coming down. So let's wait a while and see. As you can see, I'm already in some profit. Can you see the blue? I'm already in some profit. So let's see. Let's wait a while. Let's wait a while and see. Okay, guys, the market is coming down. Can you see? The market is coming down. Can you see? Yes, the market is coming down, but no checking. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So keep the setup in your mind, okay? We are trading the uptrend, and because of that, we can merge the horizontal support line, the vertical and the diagonal support line. So you are merging both the trend line and the horizontal support line. So that's a very high probability trade. High probability trade can still be a losing trade, we can't tell, but you can see it was in my favor. Now it's coming down. So let's still wait until it hits my take profit target or my stop loss, and I'll be out. Let me just pause it and come back later so that I can speed the recording up. Let me just pause the app. Oh guys, I'm out. The market has logged me out. So this is a loss. This is a losing trade. The market has logged me out. Let me just see if I can take another trade later. The market has logged me out. When you are out, you don't be shaking, don't be crying. It's part of trading, okay? Don't be losing is nothing and winning too is nothing. You just have to be sure that you are taking high probability trade. You see, this was a high probability trade, but it's still a losing trade. It doesn't matter anyhow you analyze the market, you can still have a losing trade. Okay, guys, so I'm out. As you can see, I'm out, and you don't have to be shaking when you're out. It's part of trading. You can have some losing, you can have some winning. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait a while, then I'll watch the currency meter again and see what the currency meter can give me, and I'll take another trade for the day. So I'm out. I won't just immediately go and buy and sell somewhere. I must wait for some time, okay? You can go out, go and drink water, go and drink tea, go and eat your snack or whatever, just do something, then you come back and take another trade. When you're out, you don't have to be shaking. It's part of trading. You must know that a trade can go into your favor and it can lose, or it can be a winning trade. So I'm out. I'm going to wait for some time, and then I'm going to take another trade and see what's going to happen. Maybe you can have loss, or we can have loss and a win. Who knows? So I'll wait for some time. I'll go and take some snack, go and walk around my compound, and come back later. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and let's see what the currency meter can give us now, and let's see the trade I can take now. So let's go back to the chart and let's get traded. Okay, guys, so now I have to watch the currency meter again because now the time has passed a little, so I have to watch the currency meter again. So now we can still see that the euro is still strong, okay, and the card is still weak, but that's what we traded. So we are going to look for another pair, maybe switch with the USD or switch with the card. And since we have already traded that, I prefer we just trade something else. So let's trade the ranging market, okay? Let's merge the euro and the Swiss because both of them are strong. So euro is strong and the Swiss is strong. So we are searching for what? A ranging market. Okay, guys, so this is the euro Swiss charts, and as you can see, the market is ranging, right? We want us to find a ranging market, so the market is actually ranging. The market is ranging, and you can see that we can draw our support areas. Can you see? You can draw our support areas, our very important structural levels. We have to draw all these structural levels just to make the market easy to read. You see, without the structural levels, it's very difficult to analyze the market, but the moment you draw the structural levels, you'll be able to identify the market structures easily. So you can see there's another support area here. Can you see? Yes. So you can drag it all the way to the other side. You can see that one also related to this support area. So let's analyze the markets. Okay, so from what I've done right now, what I want to do is I want to wait for the market to either come and hit the bottom support area, or maybe just hit the upper support area. Anywhere the market hits, I'm going to enter my trade. So if it hit the upper one now, I'm going to sell. If it hit the bottom one, I'm going to buy. That's my setup. My setup is ready because I can see that the market is ranging. We searched for Euro Suite because we wanted to find what a ranging market. Now the market is ranging, so we must also be in a ranging mode. We shouldn't be trading trend while the market is ranging. Okay, so we are going to wait until the market hits the upper part, this upper part, or hit this lower part, and then we will enter our sell or our buy. We are in the ranging mode, so we have to activate our ranging methods. We don't trade ranges while the market is trending. At the same time, we don't trade trending while the market is ranging. Okay, so let's keep waiting. I'll put my buy order here now. Yeah, since here is very close, I'm going to put my buy order here. Maybe if I'm not watching and it triggers me, so that I'll not miss a trade. So let me put my sell order here. Oh guys, as you can see, you see I told you I was looking somewhere. Now the market has logged me in. I'm in. Now the market is taking me down. Can you see? We are going down. So I'll set my stop loss of $200 and my take profit target $400. Okay, $400, and I'll just wait for the market to either hit my take profit out or my stop loss out. It's already in my favor. So let's see how this one goes. Hoping that this one will also be a losing trade, but it can be losing, we can't tell. Or it can be a winning, we can't tell. So let's see. Let's see. And for this particular pair, I didn't want to trade because the spread is too big, guys. See the spread, it's too big. It's too big, but let's hope that it just become a winning trade. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, it's almost at my take profit targets. It's almost at my take profit targets. So you can see that the market is almost hitting me out, but the spread is too high, guys. Look at the spread, it's too wide. That's what I'm talking about. If you're trading a pair that the spread is too wide, it's only the second line. You see, on the chart, you can see two lines, right? One is the axe line, okay? The bid and axe line. So you can see that the spread is too wide. Can you see it keeps opening? And it's also it's because I'm trading the M1. I'm trading the 1 minute. That's why it looks too spread, too open. So you see, though it has passed my take profit, but it's still not logging me out. Why? It's because it's only the axe line, the last one, the red line, that's going to take me out. See what happened. So if you want to do that, if you want to see it, what you have to do is that you go to charts, you right click your chart, you go to properties, and you do some settings for it to appear on your chart. But either way, let's just wait and see what's going to happen. If you're actually trading on the H1, then it's very tight. You won't see it is as wide as this. You won't see it as wide as this. If you're trading on the H1, you won't see it to be very wide like this. But if you're trading on lower time frame like M5 and M1, this particular trade is M1, so I can see it clearly. It's very wide. It's very wide. So even if you have a winning trade, it will take some time before the last one will come and log it out. That's how it is. The spread is too wide. And if you want to know more about spread, then you can just search for videos about spread or read about spread. The spread. That's the price difference. The price difference between the bid and ask price. Okay. So let's keep waiting, maybe to just come back and take me out. So let's keep waiting. Okay guys, I'm out now. I'm out. Profit made. So this is also a winning trade. This is a winning, successful winning trade. So that's it. You have to always be patient. Be patient and make sure that you always take trades according to your plan and don't be shaking. Okay, don't be shaking. If you have a losing trade, don't shake. You see, this is a winning trade. The other one was a losing trade, so they will balance themselves off, which means today I will make a small profit, but it's not really big. Okay guys, so that will be all for today. As you can see, if you always know what you're doing, you don't have to be shaking. Okay, just be stable, know what you're doing. The market, I've always been saying it, and then trade the market per your criteria, not what the market gives you. Trade the market per your own criteria. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and come back every time to see such videos. Okay, I'll be putting live scalping here, I'll be putting how to find Forex setups here, and I'll also be talking to you sometimes. So all rounded, anybody who comes to my channel, you get more ideas and more knowledge on how to trade. So come back every time I post video and come and watch it. See you next time.